Student government is like, we're the voices for general student population. We plan fun events for the students and create the budget for the students. Twice a month, all of the clubs get together and we kind of discuss what's going on campus, and club members bring up any concerns they might have and share all of the cool things that their clubs are doing.
Last year, I was the president of Fine Arts Club, which I am continuing again this year. And then I was also a part of SHRM, which is Society of Human Resources. And then this year, I am the campus events coordinator for student government.
I consider myself more of an introvert, and I kind of wanted to do something that was out of my comfort zone, and I was like, this sounds like a great leadership opportunity.
I was just craving more of a college experience and more of community that I wasn't getting in my classes.
The clubs, they're always gonna be there for you. Whatever your interest is, you can find a club that fits to your personality and your likes.
To make the most of your college experience, you should get involved, because that way you can meet new people, make great friendships that way.